Today we are going to discuss about the meninges. There are two types of meninges, cranial meninges and spinal meninges. Here we can see the cranial meninges. First we are going to discuss about the cranial meninges. There are three parts of cranial meninges, that is outer to inner, outer durameter, then thin transparent which is seeing arachnoid matter, and then pyometer is deep inside the sulcus. First we are going to discuss about the durameter. This hard covering is the durameter. It has the two layers, that is outer endosteal layer and inner, which is the inner meningeal layer. It has the modification. This is the modification of meningeal layer of durameter. It has four modifications, that is fax cerebri, which is sickle shape, which is attached anteriorly with the crista galli, posteriorly with the internal occipital protuberance. This is the tentorium cerebelli. This tent-shaped structure is known as tentorium cerebelli. It is attached posteriorly to the internal occipital protuberance and that runs toward the transverse sinus and along the border of the petrosal part of temporal bone. It attaches towards the fixed part in the posterior clinoid process, and anteriorly it has the free margin which attaches in the anterior clinoid process. This another modification is a fax cerebelli. It starts from the inferior surface of the tentorium cerebelli. It runs through the run in between the two cerebral hemisphere and run up to the foramen magnum. 3. The fourth and another modification is the diaphragma sella, which is present exactly here, that covers the roof of the hypophyseal fossa. We will discuss it in another video. This tentorium cerebelli forms the two compartments, supratentorial compartment and infratentorial compartment. In supratentorial compartment, this fax cerebri divides into left and right cerebral hemispheres. This fax cerebelli divides the two cerebral hemisphere which is present in the infratentorial compartment. Deep to this durameter, there is a thin transparent meningeal layer which is known as arachnoid matter. Under it, there is a subarachnoid space where cerebrospinal fluid is present. Its circulation is shown in another video. You can watch there.